Keep going.
You want to sit in the front?
Yep. Oh, it's
and legs inside the rocket machine. And for Pete's sake, watch your children, please.
Esta es la zona de control. Bienvenidos a bordo. Las condiciones son favorables para un vuelo seguro. Favor de permanecer sentados con su cinturón de seguridad ajustado y las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro de la nave. Oh, por favor, vigilen a sus niños. Golden Zephyr, autorizado para despegar.
Golden Zephyr. Have a real humdinger of a flight.
For those of you waiting, please scoot all the way forward, filling all that available space in front of you. Once again, if you are in front of those booth gates, we ask that you scoot all the way down, filling all that available space in front of you. Thank you.
Enjoy your flight. Welcome back, flyers. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the rocket comes to a full and complete stop. I will let you guys know when it is safe to take the almost there, but not quite yet. Please remain seated. It is now safe to exit.